Honorable President of All India Mobile Retailers Association from Delhi, and Mr. Dheeraj Malik, General Secretary, Mr. Balaji, Joint Secretary, All India Mobile Retailers Association from Delhi, and Mr. Bushaya, TCA Honorable President, all reporters from Media House, my colleagues, and of course, distributors, company guys who have come over here on the inaugural ceremony of Twin City Mobile Retailers Association in Hyderabad. TCMRA, Twin City Mobile Retailers Association, opening a new era of hope for mobile retailers. This is the first mobile retailer association being formed in Twin Cities in the interest of mobile retailers. TCMRA is formed with following board members. I would like to introduce myself, Mr. Majid bin Abid as President, and Mr. Vice President Mohammad Sikandar, and General Secretary Mirza Muhammad Hussain, and Joint Secretary Mr. Pramod Mahajan, he has been not available, I think so, and Mr. Treasurer Mr. Sajan Agarwal, as well as Executive Member Muhammad Samir, and Executive Member Muhammad Faizul Bakali. The Twin Cities Mobile Retailers Association has been constituted to provide value and service to the mobile cellular market in Twin Cities and all over India by fueling its growth, improving competitiveness, helping to create legal and ethical market and regulatory environment, thereby providing long-term benefits of mobile connectivity to the Telangana masses. Our association, TCMRA, main objective is to safeguard the interest, protect the rights, and to promote the business of mobile retailers. I would like to ensure that anyone who works hard can stand on his own feet and who support right policies designed to strengthen small and medium-sized enterprises, can enhance their business and can prosper alongside large companies. We will provide active support to all mobile retailers association who are associated with us, being the members of our association to their fullest potential to survive in today's competitive market. Let's make sure what myself stand in this association. M of Majid stands for motivation, A of Majid stands for ambition, J of Majid stands for justification, I of Majid stands for integration, D of Majid stands for dedication. It is precisely when the major players in our economy come together as one and pull their strengths that we can bring happiness to the people and enhance our nation's competitiveness. The prime objective of our association is our unity of mobile retailers in Twin Cities and entire India. Let's not the chain of unity be axed with men without a morality. Let's support right men's longevity to prove our unprecedented and unanimity. For your information, as the membership drive of all mobile retailers takes place and completed in Twin Cities, we would like to bring to your notice that TCMRA will be merged as TGMRA, that is Telangana Mobile Retailers Association, will be formed in affiliation with EMRA, All India Mobile Retailers Association. On this occasion, and on behalf of Twin Cities Mobile Retailers Association, I would like to draw attention of our Honorable EMRA President, Mr. Kailash Lakhani. We need to bring a brand image of Hyderabad city, and we hereby humbly request you to declare Twin Cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad as mobile retailers hub. As President of Twin Cities Mobile Retailer Association, I am grateful to all the mobile retailers who have entrusted responsibility on my shoulders. I also thank all the dignitaries, media, and all guests who come over here to attend this occasion.